Broil King Regal pellet grills offer unparalleled versatility for smoky low and slow all day long cookouts, or searing hot and fast perfect steak dinners. Let's explore the features of the Broil King Regal Pellet Grill Control Panel. The Regal Series control panel is meant to be intuitive and easy to read. Note the angled display face, an extra bright backlit screen, easily visible on the brightest days and all night long. Press the illuminated power button to turn on your pellet grill and let's start the tour. The backlit display shows all of the most important information about your cookout. Large numbers at the top of the screen indicate the current or target grill temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Below the grill temperature, you will find temperatures for meat probe number 1 and meat probe number 2. These indicators also display the target set temperatures. A timer will start every time you turn on your pellet grill in the middle of the display. By default, this timer starts counting up from 0 to display the number of hours and minutes your grill has been running. This timer can be set to count down as well. Below the display, you will find 3 incredibly useful buttons called Quick Set buttons. These buttons quickly set the temperature of your pellet grill to 225 degrees Fahrenheit to smoke, 350 degrees Fahrenheit to roast, and 600 degrees Fahrenheit to grill. The main temperature control dial illuminates for night grilling and has a tactile adjustment experience. Feel it bump, see the temperature change, and hear it beep to indicate each temperature adjustment you make. When you spin the control knob to the right or to the left, set the temperature up or down in 10-degree increments. Now press the control dial to lock in the new temperature. To make fine temperature adjustments, press the control knob and turn at the same time. The temperature will adjust 1 degree at a time. Release, then press again to lock that temperature in. The screen will flash to acknowledge that you've set your new target temperature. On the bottom left of the display are ports for the 2 stainless steel meat probes that come with every Broil King pellet grill. These probes can monitor 2 different cuts of meat and display that information directly on the control panel. Using the control knob, you can set a target doneness temperature for these probes. Finally, the settings button is next to the quick set buttons. You can identify it by the gears that appear below it. Each time you press the settings button, it displays a new setting that can be changed on the grill. Press the settings button once to set a target temperature for meat probe 1. Press it twice to set a target temperature for meat probe 2. Press it 3 times to set a countdown timer. Press it 4 times to set a stopwatch timer. Press it 5 times to adjust the brightness level. When your grill is in operation, you may notice some symbols that will appear on the screen. Here's what they mean. The Bluetooth symbol appears on the screen as soon as you connect your Broil King app to your Broil King grill. It's usually accompanied by a beep to indicate that the 2 devices are connected. This will happen every time you turn on your grill with a Bluetooth-only connection. Once you've filled in your Wi-Fi credentials within the app, the Bluetooth symbol disappears on the grill screen and the Wi-Fi logo appears. It's usually accompanied by a beep to indicate that the 2 devices are connected. Once you've connected by Wi-Fi, your grill will continually talk to your phone through your Wi-Fi router when your grill is turned on. Your grill will also talk to your router even if the app on your device isn't talking to the grill. A warning icon will appear when extreme heat variance occurs. This warning indicates that your grill has overshot the target temperature by 150 degrees Fahrenheit and that your grill has been shut down for safety reasons. Broil King pellet grills can grill like a gas grill, smoke like a charcoal grill, and roast anywhere in between. Stay in control with your next cookout. With Broil King's Regal pellet grills, great barbecues every time.